In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make silhouette videos in CapCut. By the end, you'll turn any clip into a clean, dramatic silhouette while keeping your original scene in the background. All you need is CapCut and a video where your subject stands out clearly from the background. Start by opening CapCut and creating a new project. If you're editing for a standard widescreen format, choose a 16:9 canvas so your preview matches most social platforms and players. A quick tip before we begin. Silhouette effects look best with subjects that are well lit and have defined edges. Bring your video into the timeline. Drag it to the main track, then scrub through and trim to the exact moment you want to feature. The more stable the camera, and the clearer the subject's outline, the stronger the final silhouette will look. Next, duplicate that same video. You can use the duplicate or copy command, and make sure the duplicated clip sits directly above the original on a new layer. Keep the two clips perfectly aligned and the same length so everything stays in sync. Think of the bottom clip as your full scene, and the top clip as the layer will transform into the silhouette. With the duplicated clip selected, remove its background. Use CapCut's background removal tool and let it process. You should see the subject isolated on transparency, while the original background remains visible on the lower clip. If you notice soft edges or small cutout artifacts, let the tool finish processing and play a second or two to confirm the result. Now, add an opacity keyframe on the duplicated layer. Position the playhead where you want the effect to start or change, then tap the opacity keyframe icon. This locks in an opacity value at that point in time and lets you create a gradual fade for the silhouette, either fading it in at the start, fading it out at the end, or pulsing the effect in rhythm with your music. With the duplicated clip still selected, open the blend or mode options and choose color burn. This setting darkens the subject dramatically and pulls it toward a true silhouette while allowing the original scene underneath to show through. If the look is a bit intense, you can soften it slightly by adjusting the opacity of the top layer using the keyframes you added. Finally, preview the video from the beginning. Watch for clean edges around the subject and a smooth fade where your keyframes are set. If everything looks sharp and the silhouette feels consistent, you're all set to use this effect in your edits. Enjoy creating your silhouette videos in CapCut.